the beauty of solo travel and why you should consider it. There is a certain allure to the idea of traveling alone, embarking on a journey where you are the sole protagonist. Solo travel, as it is commonly known, has gained immense popularity in recent years. The freedom to explore new destinations at your own pace. The opportunity for self-discovery and the chance to embrace new cultures without any compromises. These are just a few of the many advantages that come with traveling alone. The beauty of solo travel and why it is an experience worth considering. From the benefits it offers to the personal growth that comes along with it. We will explore how venturing into uncharted territories by yourself can be an enriching and transformative experience. So, if you have ever wondered what it would be like to wander through bustling streets, or hike through breathtaking landscapes without anyone else dictating your itinerary, join us as we uncover the wonders of solo travel and discover why you should give it serious thought. Step 1. Planning your solo adventure, researching destinations and creating an itinerary. Planning a solo adventure can be an exhilarating and liberating experience. However, it requires careful research and thoughtful decision-making to ensure a safe and enjoyable trip. In this section, we will explore the first step in planning your solo adventure, researching destinations and creating an itinerary. Choosing the right destination for your solo travel is crucial. You want to find a place that not only aligns with your interests but also offers a welcoming and safe environment for solo travelers. Researching solo-friendly destinations can provide valuable insights into local cultures, safety precautions, transportation options, and accommodation choices. Once you have narrowed down your options, it's time to create a detailed itinerary. This involves mapping out the duration of your trip, determining how many days you will spend in each location, and identifying key attractions or activities you wish to experience. A well-planned itinerary ensures that you make the most of your time while allowing flexibility for unexpected adventures along the way. Throughout this section, we will provide practical tips on conducting destination research, evaluating solo travel safety factors, as well as guidance on crafting an itinerary that suits your preferences and maximizes your solo travel experience. So let's dive in and start planning an unforgettable adventure. Step 2. Safety first. Tips for staying safe while traveling alone. When embarking on a solo travel adventure, ensuring your safety should be a top priority. Traveling alone can be an empowering and enriching experience, but it's essential to take precautions to protect yourself along the way. Here are some valuable tips for staying safe while traveling alone. Number 1. Research your destination. Before you embark on your journey, thoroughly research the place you'll be visiting. Familiarize yourself with local customs, laws, and potential safety concerns specific to that area. Number 2. Share your itinerary. Inform a trusted friend or family member about your travel plans. Share details such as accommodation addresses, transportation arrangements, and contact information so that someone knows where you are at all times. Number 3. Stay connected. Carry a fully charged mobile phone with local emergency numbers programmed in it. Consider purchasing a portable charger to ensure you have power throughout the day. Number 4. Blend in with the locals. Dress modestly and try to blend in with the local culture as much as possible. Avoid wearing flashy jewelry or carrying expensive equipment that might attract unwanted attention. Number 5. Trust your instincts. Listen to your gut feelings and trust your instincts when it comes to personal safety situations. If something feels off or uncomfortable, remove yourself from that situation immediately. Number 6. Learn basic self-defense techniques. Consider taking self-defense classes before your trip or familiarize yourself with basic techniques online. This knowledge can provide you with confidence and empower you to protect yourself if needed. Number 7. Be cautious with personal information. Avoid sharing too much personal information with strangers while traveling alone. Be mindful of what you post on social media platforms as well, as oversharing can make you an easy target for potential thieves or scammers. Remember, these tips are meant to enhance your safety while traveling alone but cannot guarantee complete protection in every situation. By staying vigilant and taking necessary precautions, you can enjoy a worry-free solo travel experience filled with unforgettable memories. Step 3. Packing essentials. What to bring when traveling alone. When embarking on a solo travel adventure, it is crucial to pack wisely and efficiently. Packing the right essentials can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey. Whether you're an experienced solo traveler or venturing out for the first time, this section will provide you with valuable insights on what to bring when traveling alone. Creating a solo travel packing list is essential to ensure that you have everything you need while keeping your luggage light and manageable. As a solo traveler, it's important to strike a balance between being prepared for any situation and avoiding unnecessary bulk. To start off, consider the essential items for solo travelers. These include important documents such as your passport, identification cards, travel insurance information, and emergency contact details. Additionally, packing light for solo trips means including versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched easily while taking into account the weather conditions of your destination. Furthermore, this section will provide you with practical packing tips for traveling alone. From choosing the right backpack or suitcase to organizing your belongings efficiently. These tips will help optimize space and make accessing your essentials hassle-free during your journey. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to receive additional videos like this. Remember that as a solo traveler, you are solely responsible for yourself. Therefore, it's crucial to consider personal safety items such as a portable charger for your devices, a first aid kit tailored to your specific needs, and any necessary medications. By following these guidelines on what to bring when traveling alone and employing efficient packing strategies, you'll be well prepared for an unforgettable adventure while maintaining ease and convenience throughout your trip. Step 4. Navigating transportation and accommodation as a solo traveler. As a solo traveler, navigating transportation and finding suitable accommodation can be both exciting and challenging. In this section, we will explore the various options available to solo travelers when it comes to transportation and accommodation, with a particular focus on budget-friendly choices. When it comes to transportation, solo travelers have the advantage of being able to choose from a wide range of options. From public transportation such as buses, trains, and trams to ride-sharing services and even cycling or walking in certain destinations, there are plenty of ways to get around without breaking the bank. Finding accommodation as a solo traveler can also be an exciting adventure. While hotels are a popular choice for many travelers, they may not always be the most budget-friendly option for single travelers. However, fear not. There are numerous alternatives available that cater specifically to solo adventurers. We will explore these alternatives including hostels, guest houses, homestays, and even online platforms that connect travelers with locals offering spare rooms or couches. By understanding the different transportation options available and exploring alternative accommodation choices tailored for single travelers on a budget, you can make your solo travel experience both cost-effective and memorable. Step 5. Embracing independence, making the most of your solo journey. Traveling alone can be a transformative experience, allowing you to discover new places and cultures at your own pace. However, embracing independence and making the most of your solo journey requires a certain mindset and approach. In this section, we will explore some valuable tips for enjoying your own company while traveling alone and finding confidence in being alone. One of the first steps towards embracing solitude during your trip is to let go of any concerns or judgments about being alone. Understand that traveling solo is an opportunity for self-discovery and personal growth. Embrace the freedom to create your own itinerary, try new activities, and meet new people along the way. To truly enjoy your own company while traveling, take time to engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's exploring local markets, hiking scenic trails, or visiting museums, focus on experiences that align with your interests. This will not only enhance your enjoyment but also allow you to connect with like-minded individuals who share similar passions. Building confidence in being alone while traveling comes from stepping out of your comfort zone and engaging with the world around you. Strike up conversations with locals or fellow travelers at cafes or communal spaces. Join group tours or activities where you can meet other solo adventurers who are also seeking connection. Remember that solitude doesn't equate to loneliness. It is an opportunity for self-reflection and introspection. Take advantage of quiet moments by journaling, meditating, or simply immersing yourself in the beauty of nature around you. Lastly, be open to unexpected experiences and embrace spontaneity during your solo journey. Allow yourself to deviate from plans if something catches your interest along the way. This flexibility will enable you to fully embrace independence and make lasting memories. By following these tips for enjoying your own company while traveling alone and finding confidence in being alone, you can transform your solo journey into a fulfilling adventure of self-discovery and empowerment. Unlock the freedom and empowerment of solo traveling today. Solo traveling offers a unique opportunity to unlock the freedom and empowerment that comes with exploring the world on your own terms. The benefits of solo travel go beyond mere adventure and sightseeing. It is a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. By embarking on solo travels, individuals can break free from the constraints of routine and step out of their comfort zones. This newfound freedom allows for a deeper connection with oneself, as well as the world around them. It is through these experiences that individuals can truly discover their strengths, passions, and aspirations. Moreover, solo traveling empowers individuals to make decisions independently, boosting self-confidence and self-reliance. The ability to navigate unfamiliar territories, interact with diverse cultures, and overcome challenges fosters resilience and adaptability. These skills are not only valuable while traveling but also in various aspects of life. Ultimately, solo travel offers a transformative experience that goes beyond simply visiting new places. It provides an opportunity for personal growth, self-reflection, and a deeper understanding of oneself. So why wait? Unlock the freedom and empowerment of solo traveling today. If you liked the video, please help us grow by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.